If you want to skyrocket your car count, watch this video. You're in the right place because it's never been easier to grow your repair shop. Well, as long as you've got the right offers or deals that actually attract customers. But I will warn you that if you continue to make the same lame, flimsy offers that your competitors do, you're actually making it harder than it ever was to grow and scale your repair shop. But because I want to make this easy for you, you're lucky because I've just launched a brand new private case study group where I will take 3 independent auto repair shop owners just like you and install my perfect auto service offer formula and generate car count for you before Mother's Day 2025. And once installed, that perfect auto service formula will continue to generate car count month after month and do it all without you ever discounting your prices, tossing in free services that you normally charge for, or adding any giveaways that only attract the bottom feeders and all the car owners without money. In this case study group, I'm going to give you the exact formula that you can use so you'll quit having to think about what ad are you going to run next or what promo are you going to do next or how you're going to get that car count that you desperately need in order to keep your shop growing. Look, there's only 3 reasons why you're not getting the car count that you want. Number 1, you don't have any compelling offers that actually get people to stop, read your offer, and book a call with you immediately. Or number 2, your offers just plain suck. Sorry, but they're terrible offers. Or number 3, you're not putting the proper wrappers on your offer that actually get people to stop, read your offer, pick up the phone and book a job with you and generate the car count that you're looking for. What I see a lot of repair shop owners do is literally just duplicate the flimsy, lame oil change offers that everyone else in their market is doing. Or they try to duplicate the offers that the big box auto repair shops or dealers are using, and that still doesn't work. Or thirdly, they just continue to discount their pricing, trying to figure out what that magic formula is that actually get people to stop and book a job. But that's really only a race to the bottom. But look, in this case study group, I'm literally going to take you by the hand, step by step, and give you the entire formula. And it's not just that I'm going to tell you what to do, I'm actually going to deploy it for you. And this doesn't matter if you think you can't come up with the offer, we've got you covered. Or if you think you're not good with the math and you can't figure out all the strategies, or if you just ran an offer and it was nothing more than a big fat loss, I've got you covered. We're actually going to be working together one-on-one, and you're going to start by spending 20 minutes to actually outline your pricing profile so that we are using offers that are using your current pricing. So like I say, no discounts. And then I'm going to take your offer with your pricing and I'm going to add the 3 wrappers to it so that we get people to stop, read your offer, and book their job immediately. And I'm telling you, you're going to have car count before Mother's Day, May 11th, 2025. And after that, you're going to have 30 days where you're going to ask me any questions, get any clarification on things that you might not understand or what you should do to move forward. I'm literally going to tell you everything that you need to do. I'm actually going to implement this for you, and you're going to get the results that you're looking for. Oh, and in case you're wondering, there's no money back guarantee on that because this case study group is 100% totally free. Well, that is, if you go to the carcountfixer.com/go, you've got absolutely nothing to lose. In fact, it couldn't be any easier. Well, only if you hurry, because when this fills up, I may not do it again. Hey, I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Can't wait to meet you over on the case study group. Take care. Talk real soon.